What's up, everybody? It's D-Dragon, and today I'm playing with my friend Ethan. He wanted to be in a video, but he cannot talk. His mic isn't muted.
To be in the video.
You said you wanted to.
Okay, fine. I take it back.
Okay. Yeah. So he's going to play B-Storm with me now. Ethan.
Yeah.
You're on your alt account, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so my friend Ethan, he's on his alt account. I'm just grinding here because I want to get the free 15 tickets. And yeah. So I'm just trying to get 15 tickets. Wait, Pushroom! Pushroom, 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 Pushroom. Oh yeah, I forgot. I still have my silly.
I forgot you don't know how to edit.
Hey, that isn't my fault.
Yeah, you just said it. Yeah, it's not.
No, really, it isn't my fault. I don't know how, so I don't know
Learn
how.
how to edit. Sorry.
I don't need to learn. I don't need to learn anything. That's too close. Okay, yeah. Like and subscribe in the next 3.2 seconds, or Ethan will wake up in your bed. That's all I gotta say. And he's a monkey man, so yeah, don't act like he's not something, okay? He's a monkey man. Legit, search up his avatar, Mr_monkey. Oh, this one's way more better.
Guys, I'm so cool.
This is a rare mushroom. Rare mushroom.
Yes, sir.
I got the rare mushroom in the house. Let's go.
Wait, you want me to
I'm almost done with this. Oh. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm almost done with it. Nice. It gave me a neon berry. That's good. Ooh, lovely mushroom's way better. Lovely mushroom for ya.
Want me to join my main? Like after?
No, join on your main, like, now. I'm trying to destroy this big boy mushroom.
Oh wait, I forgot. I did do that obby, like in the ladybug field. Cause this is my alt account.
Yeah, that's easy.
Oh wait, I gotta go in the team zone. Wait, can you put gumdrops on the ladybug field?
In the ladybug field? What's the ladybug field? Oh, there.
Field.
I will. Just let me get this mushroom.
Let me put a field dice.
Oh, nice. I got a ticket. Tickets are always good. A rare one. Oh, yeah. I'm getting this. Happy Bee, please. Tabby, I need you right now. Tabby, please. Where are you? I think my Tabby Bee ran out of juice. Cause yeah, she's
You're
like,
doing a voice reveal too late.
no! Mushroom, don't go away. Don't you do it. Please.
I think you're doing a voice reveal way too late.
Ah!
Sorry.
Oh, nice. I got this. Let's go. 6 seconds. No.
Yes,
4.
sir.
No! Okay, right here. Come on, I'm not giving up on life. Yeah, I'm giving up on life.
Yeah, cause no, Kian can.
Oh, the pain. Yeah, this is really painful seeing that. I couldn't do it, you know? I couldn't do it. You know that? Honey. Okay.
Tell me what glitter does again?
Oh, glitter boosts the field. No, don't use your gumdrops.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, you don't need any gumdrops. You already have it.
Yeah. Oh, I got a baby! I got a love token!
Yeah, the baby bee doesn't do any damage. Baby sucks.
No, my tabby bee! I got the tabby love token.
Tell me what it does.
Okay, it does plus 1% tabby gather amount, plus 1% tabby conversion amount, and percent from scratch, pollen per scratch. It's actually really good, not gonna lie. Wait, I'm gonna check my planter that
Don't you dare. Who is this dude? Don't flex on me, the other dude. Not you.
He's not trying to flex on you, bruh.
Yeah, there was a other dude who had like a bunch of...
And I'm actually also trying to do another quest, which is goo. I need goo because it can give me honey per pollen if I get it, and that would give me 15 tickets, which I can use to get the crimson bee. Wait, I'm gonna put oh, an epic sprout. Nice.
I think you have to talk louder. I don't think they could hear you a lot.
No, they can hear me. Okay, if you can't really hear me, then what? Okay, but as I was saying, if you can't really hear me, then just turn up your volume. And then if it gets too loud,
Volume is not high. That means you.
hey, that's me, not you. I don't know why I'm doing it near a planter, because I'm not the one that's using it.
But like on every video, will not turn on notifications.
I'm trying to get a diamond egg.
Oh, a diamond egg?
Yeah, I need a diamond egg.
Oh, the diamond egg?
Yeah, because soon, I think,
Diamond egg is 100.
I only have one ticket. That's sad.
That's not the shower.
Okay, bye, Ethan.
Oh, A, F, K.
Oh, FK. Okay, yeah, you guys aren't gonna see Ethan for a little bit. He's going to take, oh, what the? Ethan. Okay, well, he's gonna be, you know, doing his thing while I'm gonna be playing and grinding. I'm only grinding here because I don't know why. I should be grinding in like mountaintop. Yeah, now I'm trying to save up for a new bee. A new wait, what else? Yeah, okay. I need 5 more royal jellies. Stinger! That's always good. Oh, I need level 7. Don't look at me like that. Oh, this is where it gets crazy. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Yeah, take that, vicious bee. Yeah. I don't care if you're level 7, you're still gonna get absolutely destroyed. Hey, let's grab some things. Yeah, you're getting damaged, not me. You're gonna get destroyed. Hey! He stole everything from me. You can say that that was unexpected. Here's a gifted one. I only have a regular one. But that's okay. Got 3 stingers. Nice. Yeah, so as I was talking about, I need to go over to here and get another high slash. That's because I'm trying to go into the next B area, whatever you want to call it. And I only have 31 Bs, so I need 4 more. If B types counts as B, then I would have already gotten there a very long time ago. Oh yeah, I forgot. What's it on its quest again? I mean, okay, that's his decision, not mine, no. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna probably complete a quest, then the video is over, it's gonna be done. But if you guys want to see some more Bee Swarm, make sure to hit that like and sub. Because if you do, it would put a big smile on my face, and I like smiling. So, yeah, make me smile. So, you guys can smile too. And if I smile, that means better content. Oh, and I messed up. Okay, I'm just gonna defeat these scorpions so they aren't in my way after. And yeah, these guys are all gone. Bub, get that. Did I get all of them? Yeah, I got all of them. Nice. Still need I'm gonna check if there actually is a cooking. No, I don't think so. So yeah, get over here, you guys. We need to go to Pumpkin Patch still. You're right. And actually, I'm not gonna save up for I'm trying to get the bucko guard. The one that goes on the side. Wait, the thing is, how much? 29. Okay, I need 75 of them. So yeah, this is gonna be a breeze. I'm gonna see if it's yield, so let me just mushroom times 3. I mean, it's easy for pollen. So no. The reason why I'm trying to save up 100 is because I have so look, I'm gonna use one, boom. We get some red extract. Leave this, I guess, because I want that quest to be opened down. Yep, nice, beautiful. Yeah, I guess you can say this is good. Oh, pumpkin, I'm very close. Just that. Yeah, Rose. I've been in Rose a lot. Wait, what about Stomp? Yes, Stomp has been good. I should try to get the 25 ticket. Yeah, I used to love grinding here. Yeah, and I need Rose Field for a start journey, so that's really good. So yeah, I guess this is gonna be a long journey. Not really. I mean, like, since I have all these blues, it's not really gonna be that long, you know? I guess I'm just gonna stand here and collect some pollen, and yeah. Yeah, fill it up. See, that's 23 million. Imagine there was white abstracts. That would be cool. Yes. So how close? That's really good, actually. Should we stay here and do a big goo quack? Big goo? Yeah. I already posted a video. Yes. I'm not editing. I'm not editing it. I don't care. I don't care. Nice. Oh, my second love token from Tabby B. Nice. Yeah, so after this quest, I'm gonna finish with the video. I'm really close to it anyway. So yeah, I guess see you guys in the next video. But not yet. Not yet. I am almost there. Okay. Little more goo, little more good. And I'm gonna stay till the boost is over. Okay, I've finished Black Bears. I'm gonna turn it in, and then this is the end of the vid. Nice. And this is a painful quest. Another vicious bee? But I'm not feeling vicious. Get it. Oh, then this guy has to show up and ruin it all. Okay, bye. Bye, everyone. See you in the next vid.